Welcome to EWI, your trusted partner in tackling the toughest design and production challenges. With expertise across a wide range of technologies, EWI delivers innovative solutions in joining, forming, additive manufacturing, advanced automation, materials engineering and testing, structural integrity, non-destructive technology. EWI offers customized engineering solutions at every stage of the development cycle. Through advisory services, we provide objective strategies to help you innovate and prepare for the future. Our deep engineering expertise accelerates the development process through process feasibility studies, process development and optimization, in-depth iterative trials, materials development studies. We ensure seamless transitions from development to production with implementation services, prototyping, integrator support, training, specifications. From concept to implementation, EWI develops tailored engineering solutions to address your business challenges. In today's competitive landscape, EWI is at the forefront of innovation, driving advancements in battery electric vehicles and power electronics. With deep expertise in fuel cell technology, we provide advanced fabrication and assembly solutions tailored specifically for the automotive industry. EWI's cutting-edge processes are designed to maximize throughput while minimizing post-processing, ensuring efficiency and precision. Backed by over 20 years of expertise, EWI pioneers large-scale additive manufacturing processes, supported by expanded laboratory resources for groundbreaking research and development. Our intelligent servo press leverages Industry 4.0 technologies, including AI and machine-to-machine learning, to enhance quality and throughput in press lines. From lighting to interiors, EWI partners with automotive suppliers to identify the best joining technologies for plastic assemblies, ensuring durability and performance. Through innovative methodologies, EWI accurately predicts weld performance across vehicle architectures, saving time, reducing costs, and optimizing manufacturing processes. From concept to full-scale implementation, EWI develops customized engineering solutions to meet your business challenges and drive the future of mobility. Faster, safer, smarter leak detection for battery boxes. Traditional methods fail to pinpoint leak locations, leaving manufacturers guessing. Introducing LeakSight by EWI, the revolutionary leak detection system that's fast, precise, and easy to use. LeakSight provides results in seconds, marking leaks for easy rework. It's designed with your team's safety and efficiency in mind. With LeakSight, you get precise results without the hassle. It's the future of battery box leak detection: fast, safe, and reliable.